Hi Virgos, how you guys doing? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This reading is for the zodiac sign Virgos for the month of August 2021. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, so yeah, that means that that situation is going with you currently. Okay, let's see three cards for career and three cards for relationship. Okay, okay, so this is three cards for career. Three cards for career and three cards for relationship. Okay, okay, Virgos. Let me tell you that something is going on with you guys. I don't know, but I need to shuffle it again. I'm just getting that vibration. Okay, let's see. Okay, cool. Okay, Virgos, let's see. Okay, so in your career life, you are staying away from manipulative people, negative energy, toxic energies, sneaky energies who are creating chaos in you, in your career life, in your financial life. Okay, you're staying away from manipulative people. Okay, you are being very strong. You are working hard towards reaching your goal, reaching to a higher position, which is very good. Okay, you are feeling stuck into a situation. You are feeling stuck into a situation. That means that you are stuck and concerned about your situation. Okay, you don't know where to move, how to move forward. Okay, how to proceed further. Right now there's a lot of blockages when it comes to moving on towards a new life, new opportunities in your career life. I might see that there are a lot of blockages happening in your career life or financial life. Okay, in your personal life there's a new beginning happening. Okay, new life, new opportunities, new, there might be a new person entering into your life, or if you are thinking of getting married within next month, 1 year, you might get married. Or if you are single, a new person, a soulmate energy might enter into your life. If you are already into a relationship, you might reach to a higher vibrational level of your romantic love life. Okay, so a new beginning is happening. You are reaching to a next level, next phase of your life. Okay, within next 1 year. Okay, you are ready to move on. If there was a heartbroken situation in the past, you were heartbroken related to the past person who has heartbroken you, or there was a situation where you were very much heartbroken, or due to your past relationship. Okay, you are ready to move on. You're ready to let go of the past situation, past person, past energy, and ready to move on. It not necessarily it means a romantic partner. It maybe mean there is a heartbroken situation when it comes to your family life, your family dynamics. Okay, someone might have hurted you which you couldn't let go of, and now you are at this point in the month of August that you are going to let go of those situations and you are ready to move on. If some of you were dealing with a third party situation, third party interference into your personal life, into your relationship. Okay, then you are ready to release those third party situation, release those third party energy, which is very good. You are letting go of those situations and we are ready to move on. Okay, so, which is very good. The third thing is that in your personal life, in your personal situation, romantic love life. Okay, you have waited for long. Okay, now you are no more going to be waiting for anything. You are going to be taking action related to certain situations. You need to do, you will be very action oriented in your personal life, that now is not the time to think, sit and think about what happened in the past. Now is the time to take action in your life, to move forward in life, to move on to a new energy, which is very good. I'm liking this energy, Virgos. Let's see what's going on with you, Virgos. Okay. Okay, so there's a whosoever is single or Whosoever recently met someone new, this could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek, okay? And you are understanding who is your real partner, basically, who is your real soulmate or a twin flame connection, okay? If you're dealing with the same, yes, there is a soulmate energy is there, okay, with whom you feel vibrant, and with you have a very intimate connection. When it comes to your soulmate energy, that person really have some energy, some spark within that person, okay, and you cannot stay away from that person. There is a soulmate energy you are dealing with. You need to stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith brings you romance. If you are single and if you are looking for someone, you need to be positive, because a new person might enter into your life very soon than you expected. Okay. Okay, so there is someone you with whom you have a magnetic attraction, a strong magnetic attraction, and you have a lot of chemistry. If you are already into a commitment or a relationship or a marriage, your bond is deepening. You are reaching to a next level of your chemistry, or next level of your love life, which is very good. Okay, so yeah. Some of you might be having a codependent relationship. Addictions are affecting your love life. Okay, addictions are affecting your romantic love life, which is very good. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Okay, so some of you or your partner might be dependent on a codependent relationship in your love life. Okay, that might be creating chaos. Also, if you haven't expressed your love to your person right now, to whomsoever you are dating, or to whomsoever you are into a romantic connection, or if you are in a marriage, you need to express your emotions, your what you feel, actually what you are going through currently. Okay, sometimes having a heart to heart communication is way too important than having just emotions or actions. Okay, sometimes especially feminines likes to listen the heart to heart communication or emotions about from their romantic partner, basically. So it's an advice, guys. Go ahead and make a romantic gesture. Okay, let's see what's your life purpose. Wow, some of you might involve, heal, inspire, teach, and entertain with the words you write. Whatever you are writing, some of you might be inspiring others. Okay, so there is a trust your feelings and dreams to guide your career path. You need to trust your feelings and dreams to guide your career path. You need to trust a lot. Oh, there's a trust needed. Okay, to fall, you need to have faith in your dreams. Okay, some of you might have to spend time with the natures. Okay, there's an earth angel who is protecting you, nurturing you, teaching you, and some of you might have to travel in the with the nature, or need to spend time with the animals. Okay, author, you have a book inside of you that wishes to be expressed. Make the time to write it, which is very good. You need to write something for yourself. Nutrition, you conduct healing work with your culinary skills. Okay, you are going to be a very great nutritionist or dietitian. Okay, let me say. So if you have any culinary skills, you can heal people with your those skills. Okay, a lot of career possibilities and options are opening for you within next 1 year. There will be new opportunities waiting for you. A lot of multiple options will be waiting for you. Okay, so grab those offers, think about it wisely, and take the decisions, because those options might change your life for a better, guys. Okay, so yes, I hope you like this reading, Virgos. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.